Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to invest in index funds using Robinhood. Index funds are designed to track the performance of a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. On Robinhood, most index funds available for investing are index ETFs, which trade throughout the day just like stocks. Many investors choose index funds because they provide instant diversification by investing in many companies through a single investment. Keep in mind that index funds can increase or decrease in value, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Now let's get started. First, open the Robinhood app and sign into your account. Tap on the search icon. Search for the index ETF you want to invest in. You can search by the fund's name or ticker symbol. Open the fund's details page, then review the fund's historical performance, holdings, expense ratio, investment objective, dividend information, and recent market activity. Now, take your time to understand what index the fund tracks before investing. When you're ready, tap Trade, then select Buy. By default, Robinhood lets you enter the amount you want to invest in dollars. If you prefer, tap dollars to switch to shares, enter the amount you want to invest, review your order carefully, including the estimated purchase price and investment amount. If everything looks correct, swipe up to submit your order. Once your order is filled, your index fund investment will appear in your portfolio. You can monitor its performance, review dividends if the fund pays them, and continue adding to your investment over time. Many long-term investors make regular contributions instead of trying to predict short-term market movements. If available, you can also set up recurring investments to automatically invest on a regular schedule. Continue reviewing your portfolio occasionally to make sure your investments still match your financial goals and risk tolerance. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.